Welcome. We want to look on POLYSOLID feature. The POLYSOLID tool is used to create a 3D wall. It can also be used to convert a line, polyline, arc, or circle to a wall. So this feature is similar to a polyline tool, except that you create a rectangular shaped wall that has predefined height and width. So let's say, for example, how to use it. So you select the POLYSOLID, select the arbitrary point. So make sure auto is on by pressing F8. And if you look at the command line, we have now the arc or undo. So this line, we can take it in direction of Y, the measurement, any measurement you want. And then now here, I want to draw an arc. So press arc, like in this direction. So any measurement tool as per the requirement. So once you get here, now let's change it to line. So click line. So take it to the Y direction. So now take it to X direction. And now from here, you can press close. That's how you use the POLYSOLID tool. Thank you.